Hello, good morning kids. Look here now, I am your teacher Swati ma'am. Again came in front of you by taking now exam, online exam, first term exam. So yesterday I had seen now, so you had saw now so beautiful paper. Yes, very good all of you. So first upon we are going to discuss the date, then we will start our exam. Okay, look here now. D-A-D-E-D. What date is it today? आज की date क्या है? Do you know? Look here now. Today's date is 22nd. Which month is going on? September. S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R. September. And which year is going on? 2020. Very good. And what day is it today? आज का day कौन सा है? Yesterday was Monday and Monday after Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Very good. Then look here now. Tomorrow will be Tuesday after Wednesday. So look here all of you. So you have to solve now paper nicely. आपको अच्छे से you have to solve the paper nicely. Parents have to write down the paper in kids notebook. Otherwise, parents have to take out the printout Xerox of the assignment which one given by us, and then you have to solve it by through the app. ऐप के जरिए ही सेंड करना है. डोंट सेंड इट ऑन व्हाट्सएप. ओके, सो टुडे इज मैथ्स पेपर. सो बेस्ट ऑफ लक एवरीवन फॉर मैथ्स पेपर, and tomorrow will be EVS paper. So we are going to take the revision of EVS paper. Okay, so look here now. First of all, we are going to discuss the body parts. Look here. Which body part it is? It is head. H-E-A-D, head. Then this one, eyes. How many eyes do you have? You have 2 eyes. Then this one, ears. How many ears you have? 2 ears. What can you do with the help of ears? You can hear the sounds. Yes. Then what is it? It is the nose. We can smell the things by the help of nose. Otherwise, again we are doing now. We are taking breath. हम सांस लेते हैं. इसके बाद माउथ क्या करते हैं? माउथ से खाना खाते हैं. Then tongue. So what can do with the help of tongue? We can eat. We can taste anything. Yeah, Maggie is so yummy. Pizza is yummy. Dosa is tasty. Idli is delicious. We can recognize the taste with the help of tongue. Okay. Then fingers. We can hold the things. You can write with the help of your fingers. You can lift the things. You can throw the things. Yes. After that one, shoulders. We are hanging now something on shoulder. हमारी बॉडी का पूरा बैलेंस करते हैं. Then stomach. इसको क्या लगती है? पेट को भूख लगती है. Then knee, घुटना. Then foot, पैर. Then toes means पैरों के फिंगर जिसे बोलते हैं toes. I see with my eyes. हम किससे देखते हैं? Eyes से. I see with my eyes. Then I hear with my ear. किससे सुनते हैं? Ear से. Then I taste with my tongue. Then I smell with my nose. Nose से क्या करते हैं? Smell करते हैं. I feel with my skin. Look here now. So much cold. How can we feel? With the help of our skin. हमारे skin की वजह से हमें feel होता है. Water is so hot. Weather is so hot. So we can feel with the help of our skin. Okay, it is the sensory organs. And look here now. So tell me now. Who are you? I am a girl. So those one boys, they can say now, I am a boy. What is your name? You have to say now your name. Then how many years old are you? You are 5 years old. Okay. Then who is you? Girl or boy? I am a boy. I am a girl. Like that one. In which school are you studying? In Happy Kids International School. Yes. Then in which class are you studying? In senior KG. Okay. Then next see. So we can see now good habits. What we have to do? Look here now. We should wash your hands before and after meal. हमें खाने से पहले और खाने के बाद क्या करना है? Wash your hands. Then drink clean water. अच्छे से साफ सुथरा ही पानी पीना है. We should not drink now so dirty water. Okay. Then finish your finish your packed lunch soon after opening it. जब आप टिफिन ओपन करते हो पैक वाला, so that time you have to finish it one time. Means थोड़ा खा लिया और बाद में पैक करके रख दिया. No, it is not good for our health. So we should eat now. So pack tiffin in one time. तभी के तभी खा लेना है. We should not pack it again. और दोबारा पैक करके रखना नहीं. Then do not eat food that is kept uncovered. जो कवर करके रखे नहीं है, जो ढक्कन रख के नहीं रखा है फूड, वो खाना नहीं. We should not eat now roadside food because now corona mosam is going on. So we should not go outside. If we are going outside, so we should take care of ourselves. Wear the mask, sanitize your hands, everything. Okay. Then do not waste food. खाना ऐसे प्लेट में छोड़ना नहीं. You should finish your plate. You should finish your food. Wash fruit before eating them. खाने से पहले फ्रूट जो हम मार्केट से लाते हैं, so we should wash them. Then you have to eat it. Okay. Then if fruits fall on the ground, do not eat it. अगर नीचे कुछ गिर गया, चॉकलेट्स गिर गया, टॉफी गिर गई, so you should not eat it. चपाती गिर गई तो खाना है क्या नीचे का उठा के? No, it is the bad manners. Okay. Then avoid eating junk food. Junk food ज़्यादा खाना नहीं. Sometimes it is okay, but so many times it is not okay for our health. It is injurious to our health. Okay, understood? So look here now. So you have to do the revision of this one. Those things I had told to you. Okay, you have to you have to do the revision of EVS. And today you have to solve the paper of maths. Beautifully, अच्छे से solve करना है. You have to solve it now nicely. And parents are requested, so please send now papers through the app. Don't send it on WhatsApp. Okay. चलो start your paper. Enjoy your day. Have a great day. चलो bye bye. See you.